Namaste and welcome back. Today we dive into one of the most important and transformative pranayam in yoga, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, also called psychic network purification or simply alternate nostril breathing. This practice is not just about the breath. It is about balancing the two hemispheres of the brain, purifying the nadis, calming the mind and preparing for deep meditation. The word Nadi means energy channel and Shodhan means purification. So this pranayam literally means purification of the energy channels. Sit in a comfortable meditative posture, Siddhasan, Padmasan or even Sukhasan. Keep your spine upright, body relaxed and eyes gently closed. Begin with a few rounds of yogic breathing to settle down. Now adopt Nasagra Mudra with your right hand. Place index and middle finger lightly on the eyebrow center, thumb resting above the right nostril, ring finger rest above the left nostril, little finger is relaxed. The left hand can rest on the knee in chin or Jnana Mudra. If practicing for long, support your right elbow with the left hand, but make sure the chest remains open and not compressed. Technique 1. Preparatory practice. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale and exhale 5 times through the left nostril naturally. Then switch, close left nostril with the ring finger, inhale and exhale 5 times through the right nostril. Finally, release both nostrils, breathe 5 times normally. This is one round. Practice 5 rounds or 4 to 5 minutes. Purpose: removes minor blockages, balances flow of breath, awakens awareness of nostrils. Effect: left nostril activates right brain, right nostril activates left brain. Stage 2. Equal breathing 1:1. Begin alternate nostril breathing with equal inhalation and exhalation. Example: inhale left, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale right for same count. Then inhale right. Exhale left. This is one full round. Practice 5 to 10 rounds. Extension: gradually increase to 10:10. Inhalation ratio exhalation. Benefits: calms nervous system, balances hemispheres, relieves anxiety, improves concentration. Technique 2, Stage 2. Ratio 1:2. Once 1:1 is comfortable, move to 1:2. Inhale short, exhale double. Example: inhale 5, exhale 10. And practice 5 to 10 rounds. Benefits: profound relaxation, lowers blood pressure, slows heartbeat, deeply calms the mind. Technique 3. Antar Kumbhak, internal retention. Now we add Kumbhak, breath retention inside. Start with ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Inhale 5, hold 5 and exhale 5. Gradually extend 6 ratio 6 ratio 6, then 7 ratio 7 ratio 7 up to 10 ratio 10 ratio 10. Progress to 1 ratio 1 ratio 2. Inhale 5, hold 5, exhale 10. Then 1 ratio 2 ratio 2. Then 1 ratio 3 ratio 2. And finally 1 ratio 4 ratio 2, which is 5 ratio 20 ratio 10. Note, this is advanced. Never strain, always build gradually. Benefits: activates brain centers, harmonizes prana, prepare for meditation and kundalini awakening. Technique 4. Antar and Bahir Kumbhaka, internal and external retention. Now both retentions are added, inside and outside. Start with ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1, which is 5 count, 5 count, 5 count, 5 count. Then progress to 1 ratio 1 ratio 2 ratio 1, then to 1 ratio 2 ratio 2 ratio 1, then 1 ratio 2 ratio 2 ratio 2, eventually reaching 1 ratio 4 ratio 2 ratio 2, which is 5 count inhale, hold for 20 counts inside, exhale 10 counts and hold for 10 count while external retention. Jalandhar Bandh, Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Mahabandha can be applied, but only under a teacher's guidance. Benefits: deep purification of nadis, powerful pranic balance, profound state of meditation. Physical awareness. Stay aware of the breath, smoothness and counting. Mental awareness. Mind may wander. Gently bring it back to breath. Spiritual awareness. Focus on Anjana Chakra between the eyebrows. Precautions and contraindications. Never force the breath. Breath should always be smooth, subtle, silent. Don't practice if you have cold, fever or flu. Avoid advanced stages if pregnant, suffering from heart issue, high BP, asthma or major illness. Always progress slowly. Sometimes mastery takes years. Perform after asanas and cleansing kriyas. Before meditation. Best time sunrise or on empty stomach. Duration Start with 5 to 10 minutes, gradually extend to 15 to 20 minutes daily. Advanced practitioners may go longer, but quality is more important than duration. Benefits of Nadi Shodhana: purifies the nadis and pranic channels, balances Ida and Pingla, allowing Shushumna Nadi to awaken, improves oxygenation, removes toxins, balances nervous system, relieves stress, anxiety, hypertension, improves memory, concentration, clarity of thought, prepares the mind for meditation and higher states of awareness. Deep spiritual effect lead to tranquility, subtle awareness, and eventually inner awakening. Nadi Shodhana is called the king of pranayam for a reason. It is gentle, safe, and yet profoundly transformative. Mastering this practice step by step purifies not only the breath and body but also mind and energy field. Practice daily with patience, awareness, and devotion, and over time you will experience balance, clarity, and inner peace. This is Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, the yogic path to balance and purification. Namaste.